What do you think is the biggest risk to that quite optimistic forecast?
Well, I think it's not an optimistic forecast. It's one that's just so negative. We are conscious the returns this year have been very good, so we don't expect those to be returned in 2018, but we don't see any signs of a bear market in equities appearing anytime soon. Nor is there any near-term threat of a risk of a recession. I think the threats that do come up, the risks that do come up, are ones that could create a correction in the market, are things like a faster pacing of interest rates from the Federal Reserve, a sharply higher US dollar, which would obviously influence our positive view on emerging markets, or perhaps policy errors in the forms of the slowdown in China and the management of how the economy is transitioning there. Those are the things that can create volatility in the near term, but we do think that they are risks that won't manifest themselves over the longer run.
Okay, Kerry, talk to me about Bitcoin. I know it's not something I would normally ask you about, but everybody's talking about it. It's dinner party conversation, and I think that's probably what a number of experts to us are highlighting is probably the biggest risk there. What is your view on, if not just Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency space as a whole?
Well, I think cryptocurrencies as a whole will probably have a place somewhere in the future. I don't think that time is right now. If someone can explain to me exactly what Bitcoin actually does, do you buy things with it? Is it a store of value? Is it a commodity? There's very little way to value it and what its tangible value is, which leads me to believe it's very difficult to tell you if it's vastly overvalued or not. Probably is. All you have to do is look at a chart of how the price has appreciated. Most recently suggests that it's been driven by not necessarily greed, but generally speculation rather than anything more fundamental on that. And so I'd be very cautious on Bitcoin. I know there's a range of different cryptocurrencies out there and they haven't behaved in the same way, but until you see it being regulated and a threat that it could be regulated, I think it's probably a bit too early to really classify it as a decent investment source for most investors out there.